Welcome back to the channel, friends, and today's video is just to keep on the trend of our healthy lifestyle, like going to the gym, as you saw in my past vlogs, and just now to get into a little bit more about what I eat in a day. This is a smoothie bowl that I prepared that is super healthy, super tasty, and delicious. And not only does it leave you feeling full for longer, which will help kind of carve out all of those unnecessary cravings for, like junk food, but it also looks beautiful and it tastes so good. So these are the ingredients that we're gonna need in order to make our smoothie bowls. And as you know, the smoothie bowls are super in style right now. So here I'm just showing you some of the ingredients I used for this one, but of course you can change up the fruits in according to your tastes, of course. So here are my toppings. I have some peaches, some granola, some coconut flakes, and sliced bananas. But for this recipe, the base of the bowl, I use some spirulina, coconut water, vanilla protein powder, and I use Quest. The natural sweeteners like agave, I'm using apple sweetener right now, frozen pineapple, frozen strawberries, and last but not least, frozen bananas. The next fun step is just to add all of your frozen fruits into your food processor. I have a small one, so it takes, some accommodating to get everything in. But yeah, just add all of your frozen ingredients and also the spirulina, which will give a lot of healthy protein to your smoothie bowl, as well as the banana and the protein powder. So I'm using here the Quest one that tastes like vanilla ice cream, which is so good. You guys have to try it. I made even pancakes with it one day. It was so good. And I'm just drizzling on the top the coconut water and my sweetener, which is based off of apples. And I found it at Whole Foods, I believe. So after you've done that, then you're just going to process until it has like a kind of a sturdy consistency, not too watery. And then just pour all that goodness into a bowl. You can also use like a coconut half or a half of a melon or a pineapple, whatever fruit you have if you want to go crazy and make it really pretty. But for now, I'm just using a bowl. And now comes the fun part, which is decorating your bowl. So it's Instagram ready using some fruit. I'm using some peaches. I'm not peaches, oh my goodness. I'm using some plums, which are some of my favorite fruits. I'm adding the other half of the banana because we only used half to process inside of the smoothie bowl. And I'm also adding some delicious granola, which is pretty naked. It doesn't have anything inside pretty much. And a couple of coconut flakes to top off the rest of our bowl. And ladies and gentlemen, you are set to go. You can eat this for breakfast, after your workout, for pre-workout, and you are good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and if you try it out, please leave it in the comments below. It is so good. I promise you, even though it looks green, it's delicious. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to smash that bell next to the subscribe button so you can get notifications. And I would want to leave you guys with a kiss, a hug, and see you in the next one. Bye.
We said we're sorry, you made up the other day.